And when I first approached LiUNA to partner with us, they brought up the same thing. Well, you know, Don, I'm not sure that we want to support something that might be viewed as taking jobs. And I said, you know, let's think of it this way. There's a limited number, like we have some limited resources. There's a limited number of construction workers out there, and there's a limited amount of money, like to rebuild homes and to, you know, to solve our housing crisis. If we can reduce the cost of building a home and reduce the number of man hours, we can simply leverage those resources to produce more homes. We are creating jobs of the future. These are tech construction jobs that don't exist otherwise, and now we can leverage those limited resources to actually build more homes, and that's the ultimate goal.
It's just a force multiplier is what it is. And so for those that, oh no, the robots are coming, we need the robots to come. Because again, going back to that stat that Don shared, for every 5 that retire, only 1 is coming in. And so we need something to plug that gap. And then also, not to mention safety, that is safer, you know? And so there's a lot of benefits, you know, to it. And we need to go in this direction. Otherwise, costs will continue to go up because of the limited amount of labor.